Today we shall reflect on the life of Saint John Paul II. When Cardinal Karol Wojtyla, Archbishop of Krakow, was elected Pope on the 16th of October 1978, he made history by becoming the first non-Italian Pope in over 4 centuries, and also the first Polish ever to occupy the See of Peter. Naming himself after the 2 conciliar popes, he signaled his determination to have fruits of Vatican II benefit every believer. Born in Poland on the 18th of May 1920, he received his first communion at the age of 9 and confirmation at 18. After his schooling, he was enrolled in the Jagiellonian University of Krakow. When occupying Nazi forces closed the university in 1939, Karol worked in a quarry and then in the Solvay chemical factory to earn a living and to avoid deportation to Germany. By the time he began his priestly studies in 1942 in the clandestine Major Seminary of Krakow, he had endured the deaths of his dear mother, his elder brother, and his father. On completing his studies post-war in the newly reopened Major Seminary and his theology at the Jagiellonian University of Krakow, he was ordained priest on the 1st of November 1946. He obtained a doctorate in theology for his dissertation on faith as understood in the works of Saint John of the Cross. Appointed Auxiliary Bishop of Krakow on the 4th of July 1958 and consecrated Bishop on the 28th of September 1958, he participated in Vatican II, where he made a significant contribution to the drafting of the Apostolic Constitution Gaudium et Spes. Appointed Archbishop of Krakow on the 13th of January 1964, he was created Cardinal on the 26th of June 1967. His international papal journeys, numbering 104, were expressions of the constant pastoral solicitude of the successor of Peter for all churches. He promulgated codes of canon law for the Latin and the Oriental churches and the Catechism of the Catholic Church. He proclaimed the year of redemption, the Marian year, and the year of the Eucharist, as well as the great Jubilee year of 2000, to provide the people of God with particularly intense spiritual experiences. He survived an assassination attempt on the 3rd of May 1981 in St. Peter's Square. Saved by the maternal hand of Mary, he forgave and visited the would-be assassin in prison. Aware of having received a great gift, he further intensified his pastoral commitments with heroic generosity. His death on the 2nd of April 2005 was followed by a solemn funeral on the 8th of April. Beatified on the 1st of May 2011 by Pope Benedict XVI, John Paul II was canonized on Divine Mercy Sunday, 27 April 2014 by Pope Francis.